Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be unboxing the Celestron SkyMaster 12x60. Now these have literally just arrived in the post. I haven't even opened the exterior packaging and I just wanted to record this video to show you exactly what you get and to kind of share my first impressions with you. So as you can see, it comes in this outer packaging and there's a sticker here. So already, first and foremost, it's nice to see that these binoculars are well packaged. So I'm just going to cut that open now and you'll just get a quick glimpse as to the general size of these binoculars by the box, really. And as you can see, they're not going to be too big. Just quickly a brief on the spec. We've got a magnification of 12 times, as you'd expect at the first number here. An objective lens diameter of 60mm, again, which is referenced obviously by the 12x60. The lens coatings are multi-coated. We've got an angular field of view of 5.3 degrees. And then there's some other specification as well. An eye relief of 17mm, so that's really, really good if you wear glasses. A kind of optimal range if you wear glasses is above 15mm generally, so that's really good to know. And they are kind of made with back 4 prisms. There's a couple of accessories. We've got an objective lens caps, so for both pieces, protect the objective lenses. We've got a rain guard, a carrying case, an X-strap, and a lens cloth. So let's now open the box. We've got a nice sticker here, again keeping it all nice and protected. I will just break that seal with a pair of scissors, just in the interest of time. So we've got this kind of extra latch as well. I'm trying to keep this box nice and protected, just to keep these. I like to store my binoculars in the outer boxes, just for added protection, really. So I'm going to be keeping this box, so that's why I'm a little bit careful there. We've got some padding here, which is great to see as well. Obviously just helps with the general protection. Of course, these are optics, so we need to be very careful, and these have come obviously in the post, so always good to see added padding. We've got a Celestron manual, which I'm going to guess provides some instructions how to best use them, tips on adjusting the IPD, which is also known as the interpupillary distance, adjusting the focus, zooming in, those kind of things, and also, you know, setting the rubber eye cups, the adaptability with a tripod, and just general tips on care and cleaning, and it's in various different languages as well. So that comes included in the box. Now, with that said, let's look at the binoculars themselves. We can see they come in this nicely padded Celestron carrying case, which looks like it's got some kind of handle as well. This is a really nice case. It seems really, there's some nice padding here. I believe it's made of a nylon material. It feels really nice. So I've opened that up, and as we can see, there's more packaging here. We've got this outer packaging and also some foam inside, again keeping these nice and protected. Let's just open this up now. So there's here is some of the additional padding, and let's now open up and we can get an idea as to the actual size of the binoculars, and I'll give you my kind of thoughts and impressions on the weight. So here they are. Firstly, they look absolutely brilliant. Got a lovely kind of black clean finish. As you can see, if you kind of tilt them, you've got the description here as to the optics, so 12x60. It also mentions that they've got a long eye relief, as previously mentioned, and it also mentions their field of view as well. Some nice padding here. Yeah, they feel really durable, really, really nice. In terms of size, they're not too big at all, and in terms of weight, these feel fantastic. I believe I could carry these, or hold these, I should say, for extended viewing sessions. I think I could, I don't think I'd need a tripod personally. Of course, it depends on who you are and what you're going to be using them for. If I'm just going to hold these above my head, I could look into the sky with these for quite a while. Definitely terrestrial viewing, I could hold these for extended periods without needing to rest. So that's really good to know. So these, first and foremost, these would be great for extended observations without a tripod. But if you did want a tripod, they are adaptable, and that's good to know. I've just lost that. Those come off the eyepieces, so it does look like that's loose, so bear that in mind, okay? But it is something it looks like you can attach as well. So yeah, this is the Celestron, the Celestron 12x60 binoculars. If you wanted to put an adapter in a tripod in, by the way, you'd basically unscrew this, and you'd need an adapting tool, and then you'd put that onto your tripod. So do bear that in mind. If I just open this up, you get a quick glimpse into the lenses. But yeah, these look these are nice rubber caps. They seem quite protective, and they look really, really nice as well. And there's the lenses. But yeah, these look absolutely brilliant. Really impressed with the build quality. Got some nice kind of thumb holes here. I'm looking forward to using these. So yeah, overall, these are the Celestron 12x60 binoculars. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video.